Hello friends, it's a very important question for performance tuning point of view, and basically to ask with that L2 and L3 DBA. Okay, from performance perspective, that is what is cardinality in SQL Server, what is cardinality estimation in SQL Server basically. So it can be defined as a set of element range the tables and rows. Basically, how many tables you attach, how many rows is expected to get data. Okay, so that is totally depend on the number of or set of elements. Okay, it also refers to the counting done to the reorganize the elements in the set, identify relationship among different tables, and identify number of values in the tables. Means you can say that how many tables are calculated join, and how many rows are calculated to get data for that query. So that is depend on that numbers. Okay, currently in SQL data is just a number representing the number of row in the table. Okay, it also has an impact on the query performance. Basically, if you are estimated rows and actual rows are different, and also impact the performance of that queries, performance of databases. So basically it will help you to identify the query plan and all. So query optimizer determines the cost of the executing the query plan based on two factors. So how it is impact the performance of the system? Basically, that number of rows processed at the each level of the query refers to as the cardinality of the plan, and the second one is the cost model in the algorithm dictated by the operators using the query. So it's both two things are depend and totally impact the performance of databases, query, and the servers. So you have to just check the plan, and what is the in that plan you have to just see that the actual estimated row or actual rows and estimated row. Basically, how the query is fetching the data from that table, how much rows fetching from the data. Okay, database. So that will currently estimation currently in the SQL server, that will impact the performance of the database